Another development WhatsApp has recently made, where WhatsApp will now let its users message not just their friends and contacts but also themselves. Now, we've always wanted this feature on WhatsApp to take notes. Until now, there was no official way to do it, but now the messaging platform has introduced a new feature called Message Yourself. Now, as the name only suggests, the Message Yourself feature let users have a one-on-one chat with themselves. The feature is really useful for users who wish to send notes to themselves, plan reminders, and updates. With this new Message Yourself feature, users will now be able to track their to-dos and send themselves notes, reminders, shopping list, and whatsoever they want to. This feature will roll out for both Android and iOS users in the coming months. So if you haven't got this feature yet, it should reach you in a phased manner. If WhatsApp auto update isn't enabled for you, head to your app store and update the app first. After the app is updated, you will have these steps below. Now, step 1. After the app is updated, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, go to create new chat. 3. You will now be able to see your contact at the top of the list. If the feature is still not available, then you might have to wait for some more days. If the update is available for you, click on your number and start messaging with yourself. WhatsApp recently introduced one of the most anticipated and most awaited feature of all the time. It is called the Hide Online Status. Now, this privacy feature lets users hide their own online status from whomsoever they want to and chat secretly as well. This feature allows users to hide their online status from everyone or even select contacts. The Hide Online Status is available for both iOS and Android users. Now, if you still haven't received the update, head over to the App Store and update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. Isn't it very amazing that WhatsApp is doing such amazing things for us to make our chatting experience much more quicker and much more convenient? That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.